where to host your membership program, a community, a course, weekly group coaching calls, I will share with you a platform that I use to be able to have it all in one place and charge people monthly subscriptions they are paying to be part of my program, right? I use an app called Skool. Skool is a simple app where you only pay $99 per month to use the app and you can have it all in one place. This app is very popular right now and it's changing people's lives because it's so simple. You can upload your course onto it. You have a community element to it, like Facebook groups, right? People can post, comment, ask questions, and there is a calendar section as well where people can see when the next group coaching call is, for example. And it's got a very simple order page, about page, where people can come to and click and simply with 1-2 clicks pay with their credit card and fall into your community, into your program, and you can manage all of your members with this one app. And then Skool charges people monthly fees, so you don't need to handle anything technically at all. You just push people into the app, let them be paying you, let them be part of your coaching experience, your membership program, and so on. I would suggest you to check Skool, and if you use my invitation link, I can also coach you for free. Find the link down below. For you to build a consistent coaching practice, you will want to start signing people into your membership coaching program offer that's gonna provide you with a part-time and then full-time recurring income. If you would like to take the first steps with your own membership program and build it on Skool app, find the link down below. I have a free course for you and a free community where we support one another on this journey. Find the link down below, study my free course and get yourself going in life. See ya.